Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to organize information, create lists or improve readability, Canva lets you add bullet points to text in just a few clicks. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add bullet points in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, of course, log into your account, open an existing design or click create a design. So let's choose a existing design. Okay, so for example, like this one. Bullet points works or work in any design type. Okay, so to add new text, go to the text tab, click add a text box. Okay, type your content. For example, let's make it, or let's let's not change the words. Okay, so it's just an example. Now the text must be selected before adding bullets. Okay, so with the text selected, look at the top toolbar. Okay, click the bulleted list icon, as you can see here. Your text will now appear as bullet point. Okay, so each line becomes a bullet item. Okay, you can, for example, add another text. Okay, and that's it. There are so many bullets here. You can write here, you can write here, you can type here. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.